What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to bring images to life by animating them with AI. So the tool or website we are going to use is Kling AI. So you're going to go to klingai.com, sign up for an account. It's pretty easy and straightforward. And once you do, you have many tools to choose from. In this case, we'll choose AI videos and make sure the image to video is highlighted. And here we want to upload, drag and drop, or paste the photo that we want to animate. So I'll click here. And now I'm going to upload a photo to animate. And I do have a photo ready here. Click on open to upload the photo. And as you can see, the photo is now uploaded. And now here is where I want to enter the prompt. So for example, let's say I want him to do smile and do a thumbs up. So I'm going to type in make him smile and do a thumbs up. Okay, and now generate. And notice that it'll take 20 credits of my free credits since I'm on the free plan right now. Click on generate. And as you can see, the video is now generated. It'll take some time to generate your video. Now it is still generating, and as you can see, it will take longer than 3 hours since we are using the newest model. A solution here, of course, will be upgrading to the paid plan, or you can choose another older model, and this will generate your video much faster.